everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you some gift wrapping ideas that will hopefully make your Christmas present wrapping much easier. For wrapping papers, I chose white, silver, snowman, and candy cane, in addition to neon blue and yellow confetti gift bows, neon green firework gift bow, long red sequined ribbon, metallic silver and gold firework gift bow, plastic peacock feathers, and royal blue sparkly ribbon, and some natural elements like burlap string, arborvitae leaves, and female pine cone. Also some disco balls and silver holographic ribbon. Unwrap the wrapping paper across the table. Place the box upside down in the middle of the paper, about halfway between the edges of the wrapping paper. Wrap the paper around the box from both sides and fold it so that it slightly overlaps, and tape it down to secure the top layer of paper to the bottom layer. Tuck in the wrapping paper at the box's corners inward. Two sides of the box will still have unfolded paper sticking out in a triangular shape. Crease the triangular folds, push the upper flap down, and then the lower flap upward, then fold the lower flap halfway and secure it with tape. Turn the box around and repeat the exact same process on the other side. Then you add your stick-on bow, and voila, here is the present. Alternatively, you can use a neon yellow confetti gift bow, or you can even use a neon green firework gift bow, or metallic silver and gold firework gift bow. Now I'm going to show you how to tie a perfect ribbon bow with a twist at the bottom of the present. With the present facing down, place the shimmery ribbon vertically across the center of the present and pull both edges together to find the middle part of the ribbon, dividing it in half. Twist the edges and wrap them around the opposite sides of the gift to the front of the package. Tie the ribbon in a knot and take the two loose ends and tie in a bow. Fluff it up. Clip the tails at an upward angle. Moving on to the peacock feather present, we will need a plastic peacock feather and a royal blue sparkly ribbon. Measure the ribbon by wrapping it around the box. Trim the end, secure both sides with tape. Slightly lift the ribbon in the center of the box. Place the feather on the diagonal of the package and secure it with tape. For gift idea number 7, I'm using the diagonal wrapping method because the paper wrap was not big enough to cover all sides of the present, and I'm using natural elements such as the female pine cone, Arborvitae leaves, and burlap string. With the present facing down, place the string vertically across the center of the present and pull both edges together to find the middle part of the string, dividing it in half. Twist the edges and wrap them around the opposite sides of the gift to the front of the package. Tie the string in a knot and take the two loose ends and tie in a bow. After you wrap them around the female pine cone and the arborvitae leaves, clip the ends of the bow that are unnecessary. For gift idea number 8, you can use Christmas ball ornaments, tinsel garlands, or small disco balls, and silver holographic ribbon. Put the silver holographic ribbon through the disco ball and drape the ribbon across the top left corner of the box. Secure it with tape and wrap it around the box. Keep wrapping the ribbon diagonally in a way that's parallel to the first diagonal at the top left corner and keep inserting the disco balls through the ribbon and fastening the ribbon with tape. For gift idea number 7, I'm using 3 tin boxes with Christmas drawings on them. Feel free to use metallic gift bows or shredded color paper, or you can even use your recycled shredded paper. After you fill the tin box halfway with the shredded paper, place the present on top of it and then close the lid. For present number 8, I'm using snowman gift wrapping paper and a metallic red bow. And for my last present, I picked some shimmery red princess bows with red metallic ribbon. Drape the red metallic ribbon across the top left corner of the box and keep wrapping it around the box diagonally in a way that's parallel to the first diagonal you formed with the ribbon, and secure it with tape on each side of the box. Once you finish wrapping the ribbon around the box, thread the ribbon through the bow and pull it tightly, then secure it with tape. I hope you enjoyed watching the video and decorating with me. Merry Christmas! Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.